welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. You guys, I almost forgot to do my lip combo for you. It's probably because I'm just not feeling my makeup right now, or my hair, or any of the above. You guys, it's that time of the month, so I'm already just kind of like blah. My makeup is in person, I'm just not liking it. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I have gotten a little bit of a tan. You probably can't tell, y'all, but I have gotten a little bit of a tan. So my makeup, I have to kind of like shift my makeup to match. Not to mention, I used a different under eye powder today. It started doing some weird balling up. It's just been a day. I'm just not feeling it. I went with a simple lip combo today, and so we are using our One Size Beauty lip liner in Pink Remix. Y'all know this is a nice mauve lip liner. Any mauve lip liner will work. And then literally on top, I'm just using my Fenty lip oil, and this one is Miss Jellyfish. Y'all, literally this is my favorite lip oil of life. Like the color, everything about this. And I don't know if you can see, because it's kind of gloomy out. It's been raining for a few days here, but it's so pretty. I love that. So yeah, you guys, that is my lip combo for today. I have the most random haul of random hauls for you today. I literally have a few things, like clothing items that I picked up from like Marshalls and Ross. I have like this beach bag. I just got a lot of random shit in this video, okay? So if you guys want to see a haul of some random stuff, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm not going to go in any particular order at all. I don't have a lot of stuff, but it's stuff that I just need to, you know, put up. So first, I'm going to be doing a like summer essentials video or something like that. I just got to get everything together. I should have really been doing that today, but today I'm just kind of like filming because I just need to film. I haven't filmed in over a week, and it's just like I'm so not feeling wanting a bog bag, right? But I cannot bring myself to paying $70 for a bog bag that I'm literally only using as a pool bag. So I was looking at different places, and I went to Walmart and I found this bag, you guys. This thing, first of all, it is huge, okay? It is huge, and it's literally just like the bog bag outside of it not having the bees here, and the bog bags has like bigger, like it has circles all over instead of these. But you guys, I love this bag. I literally seen this in Walmart for $20, you guys. Yes, $20. So this is worth it for me for $20. I have different colors. I know they had a blue, they had a baby pink, they had a green, ton of colors, but I really wanted one. I think I am going to put like some gibbets or something in here, but I've already been using this bag because we've already been going to the pool, so I love that. I was really wanting a hot pink one, and I seen that Five Below had hot pink, but you had to purchase it online. So, and then you have to pay for shipping and all of that, and I just needed the bag when I needed it. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna eventually get that bag because, like I said, I really wanted a hot pink bag. But nevertheless, let me know if y'all want to see something like that, like a pool or a beach bag essentials, because I have a lot of stuff that I put in there. We have like a little snack bag, all type of stuff. But yeah, you guys, so I went ahead and got that. You guys, something else that I got from Walmart, I don't know if this is, you know, but it was in my pool bag. I had to get my daughter some new swim shoes, okay? So I ended up getting her these, and these are Rugged Shark. That's the brand, Rugged Shark, and they look like this. They're super cute, very comfortable. I literally just got these. I actually had bought myself like a little skirt as well, but it ended up getting canceled, so that sucks, but whatever. So I got that. Another thing that I got that is brand new, okay, this is brand new from Native. It's limited edition, and it is a piece of cake body wash, you guys. I seen this and was like, yep, hurry up and add to cart. Native has like the lotion, the deodorant, and all that, but y'all know I don't really use any of that. The lotion I would have to smell in store, because I have found that I didn't really like the Native lotion when I tried it, but the body wash is always good. So on here it says the fragrance notes are vanilla cake scented, and I want to say we had something very similar to this before, but I cannot remember. This smells really good. This to me smells like true vanilla cake. Yeah, I really like this. It smells really good. I already know I have to get more of this, maybe one, maybe two, because my son literally just came in here before he went to the gym with his dad. He literally just came in here and tried to steal my body wash. So I already know I have to go back to Walmart and order at least one or two more. So he can have one, I can have one, and then a backup, you know. But this smells really, really good. I haven't really seen people talking about this. It is brand new, but I'm happy to have it. So yeah, you guys. Next thing that I got is literally all the rage and super hyped right now. I end up getting 2 of the Labubus. Now, let me be honest with you. I think these are fake, right? I think these are fake. I purchased these from like this little store in our local mall. I didn't pay a fake price for it, okay? A little bit salty about that, but my daughter had been wanting one, I've been wanting one, so we went ahead and got these. Now, I do have a Pop Mart in my mall, but they be sold out. And then literally like every time I get on there, like I got on there today, and it was taking so long for the drop, I would just like forget it. I'm not, just whatever. But I end up getting 2 of them. Like I said, one is mine and one is my daughter's, and literally this is what they look like. So these are the famous Labubus. So this one is sea salt coconut, and this is actually my daughter's. This is a blue one. Eventually I want to get like the legit ones, but these are just, they're cute for now. I swear they don't really look any different. It's a few things that you notice that's a little bit different, but it's whatever. Okay, so she got this one, and then I have one as well, and I actually have it on my bag right now, and mine is sesame bean. Okay, so mine is the little gray one, and I don't know, it's just super cute, and they're in now. If you know, you know. But yeah, you guys, so you can find these a lot of places. I really wanted to get some from Macari, but I did not want to get scammed for the prices that are on there, so I'm just gonna wait on a list at my local Pop Mart, so I'll see. But either way, they're super freaking adorable, and who cares? Okay, like literally who cares? So got those. All right, then I have some random stuff from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Ross. So I have some clothing pieces and some nails, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So these first nails, these actually came from TJ Maxx, and this is by the brand The Memo, and it looks like that. And these are just some short baby pink nails. Like, you know, I don't know if y'all know, but I'm wearing press-ons for years on my hands. I just don't find the need to go get my nails done anymore. This is so much more convenient. I can do it myself. Now my feet, I will do my feet, but I go to the shop majority of the time to get my feet done, because I just like sitting in the chair, getting my massage, getting rubbed down, having a drink. That's my thing. That's the one thing that I love to do for myself at least once a month. So nails can be off limit, but my feet, I love for somebody else to touch my feet. Okay, so I got those. I also found these. I have used this brand before. It's not my favorite brand ever, but these were so cute, I couldn't pass them up. So I end up getting these, some fun summer nails. So they come with like the French tip as well as a solid, so that you can kind of mix and match on your nails. So I got these, and these were $6.99. I don't know if I told you, these were $4.99. So these were $6.99, and these came from Marshall's. I also end up getting this scarf, because I don't know if y'all know, but scarves are like a thing now, and hence the scarf on my head. This scarf actually came from Victoria's Secret with a free gift with purchase, but I end up buying this one, which is really pretty. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it back though. This one is by the brand Vincent Camuto, and this was only $12.99, and it is so pretty, but I find it really hard to put this one like on my actual like head, and that's what I wanted it for. So I don't know, I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with this one yet, but the scarf itself is really pretty. So and it was really inexpensive. So yeah, I love this, but again, not sure what I'm gonna do with that. And then I end up getting a fragrance, right? So I'm on the hunt. I've been on the hunt for all my Mimic fragrances. You know, I love me some Mimic, okay? Mimic is one of my favorite dupe houses. You can get them from their online store. I have a coupon code in my description that I always have in there. I have purchased a fragrance or two from their website. Oh, they have some new ones out. It is $162, and this retail for, this is the 1.7 ounce. This was $14.99 if I'm not mistaken. I always take the stickers off of here because I just don't like the stickers on my like my bottles. This is $162, a blend of caramel gourmand, and if I'm not mistaken, this is a dupe for Sol de Janeiro number 71, which is my all-time favorite Sol de Janeiro scent. Like, I love that fragrance so much. I just put up a video yesterday of my concept fragrances, and I have a dupe in there for Sol de Janeiro as well, so I will have that link. But y'all, that one smells really good. Both of these smell really good. Like, and they're very inexpensive. You can go find it in stores, but it's really hard to find these. I've been searching for over a month just to find this one, and it's a couple other ones that I want that I haven't been able to find. So yeah, you guys, it smells amazing, so I'm so happy to have that. All right, and now we're gonna move into the few clothing pieces that I got from different stores. All right, so this first thing is actually a set, and it is small, and this is literally like a 3-piece set. So it comes with these shorts. I wanted some, you know, like loose fitting, just like you know, shorts. I probably should have got a medium because I wanted them a little bit more baggy, so we'll see how I feel about this. But this set was on sale for 20 bucks, and it comes with this little, I don't know if this is supposed to be a bralette or if it's a tank top, but it's see-through as hell. So it comes with that, and then it comes with the little jacket. Okay, so yeah, and like I said, it was on sale for 20 bucks. So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna try this on again. Y'all know I'm on my weight loss journey right now. My husband is actually helping me with it. Is a fitness coach, and he can't be out here looking good and his wife looking a mess. So I decided I needed to get myself together. So he's helping me with certain exercises that I need and meal plan and all of that stuff. So yeah, he's making me work out now. So, and I am back in the gym. I'm very proud of myself. I've been to the gym 3 times so far in 2 weeks, and that's good because I literally have not been to the gym since June or July of 2024. So it's been a while. But yeah, you guys, I actually really just enjoy this. I really just love this set in general. It's so nice. It feels so soft. It's by Better Together, the brand, and I really love this. But again, I need to try this on again to see if I like the fit of it right now, or if I should take it back and get like a bigger size. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, so these shirts, I have a couple shirts that came from Ross. You've already seen me wear 2 of them. This first one is by the brand Milk and Honey. So this is from Ross. I had this on in one of my recent videos. Wish I wouldn't have took the tag off of this, because I would have took it back, because the more I look at it, the more I don't really like the color. It's more of a cream. It's a cream and black, and when I first bought it, for some reason I thought it was white and black, but it's not. So I got this. It was $11.99, so not a bad price at all. So we'll see. Yeah, this is an extra large. Okay, this is an extra large. This got to be the smallest extra large of life. It says juniors. I did not know this is an extra large. No one. Okay, that makes sense now. I wish I would have known that. Definitely would have taken them back. Anyways, The next shirt is also from Ross, and this is a medium, and you guys see me wear this one as well. I do really like this one. This one's a little bit more cropped. It's not super crop on me because I'm short, but I love this one. I like this one a lot. I haven't actually wore it anywhere, which is why the tag is still on. Only on the video. So I do really like this one. Another top I end up getting from Ross, this was $6.99. Y'all know I love graphic t-shirts, and this is the Def Leopard. I think that's the name of this, but yeah, it's just a graphic t-shirt, and I love wearing these with like biker shorts. Just, you can't go wrong. Very super simple. Love that. Another graphic t-shirt, this one came from Burlington, and this was $8.99. Y'all know I love me some Aaliyah, so it's just another Aaliyah top. And again, I love wearing these with just biker shorts, just casually, you know, not going anywhere super special, not doing anything, just running to the store or something. Love that. And I love me some Aaliyah. And then the very last thing I got is so cute. This is actually a kind of like cardigan, or I don't know what you call these, tunics. I don't know what you call these, but it's more of a cardigan, and this is by the brand Rachel Zoe, and I got this from TJ Maxx, and this was $20. And you guys, it is so pretty, super pretty. And I figured I could wear this with like either a cropped white top and some denim shorts, or a white tank top and some denim shorts. Either way, it's gonna be denim shorts, and you can wear flats, you can wear heels. It's just really pretty. I love it a lot. It's so pretty. I don't know where I'm going, but it's very casual but cute. So I love this. You guys might see me wear this in a video, but yeah, I love this one so much. It's so pretty. And Rachel Zoe, this is a one size fits all type of thing, because it's like, you know, oversized, and yeah, it's so pretty. I don't know if you can tell how pretty it is, but I love it. And since I'm short, it fits me, like it's not dragging on the ground, and I love me a good cardigan that doesn't drag the ground. So yeah, you guys, that is it. That is my super random haul. I know it's not a lot of stuff, but I wanted to show you guys some of these things. If you were interested in any of this, you can pick it up in your local TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.